it's like having a team of developers who get it right the first time. Yeah, just a bit of background. I'm a freelance consultant, so I do consultancy around data privacy primarily, but also moving into AI and data privacy governance. So what I was looking to build was an AI management system governance site, or a governance application more than a site. I was using Claude Code. It wasn't really agentic enough for what I wanted. Tried Replit as well. It just made so many mistakes. And I think in my search, I came across an architect that way. So I thought, well, okay, hold on. Let's just give it a very high level picture. And this is what my goals are. And bang, it was 50% completed with just using its own AI tools. One feature I really like is the ability to edit the agents individually within Studio. It's probably cost around $600, I think, to develop, which is not a lot for a full-blown professional tool. So yeah, it is nice in that respect.